So today I'm going to discuss my video portfolio. For the first question, discuss your thoughts about literacy as a student and reader teaching literacy and as a pre-service teacher before, during, and after taking the course. For the first question, my answer is literacy is the ability to read, write, and speak and listen in a way that lets us communicate effectively and make sense of the world. In the point of in the point of view of a student, literacy just refers to writing about things and reading about things. In the point of view of a reader, it refers to only reading and being the bridge to convey messages and receive things through the sense of sight. And being in the perspective of service teacher, literacy just means using the means to teach, write, and read and to students so that they may learn and develop these abilities. Now, for the second question, evaluate and reflect on your performance in the various reading activities, in class. Uh, I will be providing proofs and details about the positives and the negatives of my performance in class, in the reading activities rather. Based on what I have observed on my performance on various reading activities in class, I'd say I was just trying to get by with my performance because I only got 14 on the first reading activity, which I chose to make an advocacy poster to combating misinformation and disinformation on COVID-19. And on the second reading activity, I got a 16, which I chose to make a graphic organizer on Singapore and its culture, and with the lack of key points on Singapore, and it really tells how unsatisfactorily my works have been in these chosen chosen reading activities. Now for the last question, reflect on your preparedness goals, questions related to your being a literacy teacher rather in the future. Based on my performance on my group's demo teaching, it's been pretty mediocre on my part, specifically on my performance on the demo teaching, because I know I could have done better than I presented on my limited time on presenting on the demo teaching. I wasn't satisfied with my performance and how I projected on demoing a lesson. My goal is to improve more on how I project myself to my audience and how I speak, specifically on how I speak English, because I stutter a lot when I speak English, and I can't speak English directly so that my audience can understand what I am conveying to them. I should also learn to be more enthusiastic about speaking to my audience so that they may feel welcome and at the same time comfortable about what I'm saying. So this wraps up my video portfolio for PR Lit.